This is the video guide that is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that are related to the website Cvgdownthe.xyz. Frankly speaking, the name of this website does not really make any sense, but the website is extremely malicious. It tries to make people subscribe to the multiple pop-ups that are displayed in the form of web push notifications. If you click on allow, your browser will be hijacked with a lot of pop-ups that will be attacking the screen from time to time. If the allow button was clicked, fix your browser by going to the menu, settings, then privacy and security, site settings. In permissions, choose notifications. Pay careful attention to all these websites that are allowed to send notifications and remove any malicious sites if you find them. To make sure that your system is free of any other threats, consider scanning your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page Cvgdownthe.xyz. Download it, install it, and then begin researching your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.